guys, TJ with Windshield Fitters here. Let me show you something I encountered today. I just showed up to one of my customers' house. They were complaining of the windshield leaking. Another company replaced the windshield about 6 years ago, and now the windshield just started leaking. But let me show you what the problem is. The windshield is actually not even bonded to the body at all. The reason why is because whoever replaced this windshield, they didn't prep the glass correctly. So they didn't clean it right, they didn't use the correct primer, they didn't use the correct glue. You want to go to the company that knows what they're doing. It doesn't have to be the expensive guy or the cheap guy. They have to know how to properly replace a windshield. So you don't want to have this problem. It's not because of the leaking. The worst problem is if this family got into a car accident, they could have gotten really hurt or even lost their life. So you want to make sure you get a certified technician when you replace your windshield. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. My name is TJ with Windshield Fitters.